Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And of course, for those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. You guys, I have a very quick Amazon order I wanted to share with you guys, and I have a little friend mail. And of course, I left the friend mail behind me. Let me grab it. 2 cards that were at the post office, and I thought I would share those really quick. Let me get my little letter opener. Boy, I'm throwing stuff everywhere. Okay, first one, this one comes from, let's do this one, Miss Sally. Got a little card from her. I'm not going to show you the front because it's got her address on it. Little note from Miss Sally. Oh, it's a beautiful thank you card. Isn't that pretty? Love it. I love it. I love the colors. I think that kind of like dark navy color with silver is so pretty. Oh, she says, "You're 70. Thank you so much for my goodies. I love them all, Miss Sally." And you guys, look at these cute stickers. Beautiful. And she included some other stickers, you guys. It's my man Grogu. Look at, isn't he cute? Got that one. And then we got that one. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love Grogu. I'm obsessed. It's part of The Mandalorian from Disney. If you guys have a subscription to Disney Plus, you've probably seen The Mandalorian. Whether you've watched it all or not, I don't know. But that's where Grogu comes from. Okay, and then the next card is from the ladies at Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. And they absolutely, like, stickered up. There's the front of the card. But the back, y'all. Look at that. That is, of course, Miss Sherry and Erica. So let me go this way. Open this. Take a look at their little card. Aww. I believe this would be happy birthday. I think. January was my birthday month. Stephanie, hello, beautiful. We are wishing you a ton of birthday love and fun. We hope you have nothing but happiness and success. Thank you for being one of the amazing women we've gotten to know and work with. Have a wicked, awesome birthday. Your friends, Mrs. Sherry and Erica, Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. And you guys, okay, so I've been putting this off and putting this off and putting this off because I can't come up with a name. They sent me this. Y'all know, if you are familiar with all of their friends and their channel, I need to name this, and you guys have been putting it off because I couldn't come up with a name. So I need you guys to help me name this, okay? This is my like, so please give this video, give me a like. So I need a name. I want it to be something like, okay, I think about fun names like the old Bugs Bunny cartoons, and I will love her and kiss her and squeeze her and call her George, you know, stuff like that. Something just basic and fun. So thank you in advance. Down below in the comments, let me know what you guys think I should name my awesome pen. My thumbs up buddy. And please give this a thumbs up. So thank you, Sally, and thank you, Erica and Miss Sherry for that. And let's get into my quick Amazon order. Now, you guys, I have this linked in my Amazon store, and I have another version of it linked there as well. Let's just get into this. This is what it looks like. This is not a toy. Keep out of reach of children. Okay, so what this is for, it is an emergency item for inside your vehicle, okay? And it will all make sense shortly. I ordered this, and it comes, this particular brand I ordered from, it's a 4-pack, and it was the best price I could find that had like 4.7 stars out of 5. So let me get them all out. Okay, this is what it looks like. Y'all, do you know what this is? I would imagine that some of you that live near water know what this is. Many of you who do not really, you know, live near water or are not maybe first responders or something might not have a clue what this is. So this is an emergency tool that you need to keep inside your car. And what it does is you pull off from here to pull this out. So this top tool on either side is used for breaking yourself out of the inside of your car, okay? So let's say a lot of these cars, my car included, it's all electronic, right? You can't unlock the door. It's all electronic. There's nothing to pull. When you need to unlock your car, you got to have electricity, right? And sometimes that electronics goes on the highwire and you're locked in the car and you can't get out. And let's say it's an emergency situation. You need to get out of your car. What you're going to do is use this and you, not your front windshield, it's going to be your side. You're going to go down near a corner, and all, this is such a sharp, fine point. All your pressure is going to put so much force, you will shatter the window to be able to get out. Now, let's say you're panicked, and let's say you're tangled in your seatbelt and you cannot get out of your seatbelt. That's really scary too, right? Let's say you're hanging upside down and your seatbelt's locked. You can't release it. The flip side of this is a extremely, extremely sharp cutter. That is to cut you out of the seatbelt, okay? Could be, you could be, maybe you had a rollover. You know, maybe it's not even you. Maybe you're driving down the road and an accident happens right in front of you and you're one of the first people to respond. Let's say the car is starting to smoke and you can't get in the vehicle. Maybe the driver's unconscious. The doors are locked. You can't get in. You can break in through a window doing this. Let's say you can't get them out because they're hanging upside down in the seatbelt. You cut them out with the seatbelt cutter, right? So I purchased, this is a 4-pack. So there is plenty for, they really tell you to have at least 2 of these, and you don't want to put these in your glove compartment. What happens if you're hanging upside down and you can't reach your glove compartment? So they do suggest you keep one of these near the driver's side. Probably good to have one on the passenger side as well. So this is a 4-pack. So plenty for my vehicle, hubby's vehicle. I could give these, if I wanted to just have one in the car, I could obviously gift these to friends. So this 4-pack was the best deal I found. Like I said, this brand, these were 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's a 4-pack. It was the best pricing I found on Amazon. I looked. Amazon has Amazon Basics that is like Amazon's choice and a bestseller, but it's a 2-pack. So I have both of them linked in my store. If you look down below, my Amazon store is there. I would appreciate it if you are interested in shopping for these, if you would click that link. Doesn't cost you anything, you guys. The pennies come out of Amazon's profits. So some people have commented on how to get these out. There, it says pull right here. You just pull from the top to see that. Let me do that again. You just pull and they pop right out. Okay. So some people were wondering about this button. It's just decorative. Honestly, I think it's just a way to probably strap these in. If you wanted to find a way to strap them in, you could do that. But like I said, you got to kind of think about where you're going to have this, because in an emergency situation, you don't want to be fumbling around looking for it. You don't really want it loose. It's like it could be a projectile. So thoughts on where it wouldn't be too far out of reach. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I think it's pretty important. Now, a lot of people, if you live near waterways, you should have these, because if you go off the road into the water, you can't necessarily get your car door open. This is how you get out. You cut yourself out of your seatbelt immediately. You break your window and get out of your car as fast as possible, okay? This will do that. Like I said, you know, the pressure on this. And let me tell you guys a little tip. Miss Sunny from Sunny's Place and I were talking about this as well. I knew this as well. Your headrest. If you take your headrest off, those 2 metal spikes that hold your headrest into your seat have enough pressure. If you push those, like I said, don't do it in the middle of your side window. They always tell you to do it at a corner and break that window out, okay? Always down in a corner. It'll shatter the whole side. You'll get glass everywhere, but honestly, if it's an emergency, a little bit of glass is better than a tragedy. So again, link is down below. I will actually link directly to this item. Of course, my Amazon store link is down below as well. And like I said, the Amazon 2-pack is in there as well. Let me know your thoughts, you guys. Again, could you help me out so much? We need a name. I can't come up with a name yet. I need some ideas. What do you guys want to name her? Or is it a him? I don't know. So please give me a little likey like. Double check that you're subscribed. I'm curious. How many of you have these in your car? I really want to know. I've never been good. I've never been good to have one. And I'm like, you know what? I mean, maybe it's not for you. Maybe you come upon an accident and you use this to rescue somebody. It could happen. All right. I appreciate you guys so much. Pardon the appearance. I've been outside. Ooh, I was birding today, you guys. My friend and I took the afternoon, late afternoon. We drove up and we found 2 very, very elusive birds we've been looking to find. They're very rare for southern Wisconsin. We did have to drive quite a bit north to find them. So if you want to see what they are, they're a snow bunting and a snowy owl. Oh, you guys, extremely rare in this area of Wisconsin. They are Arctic type birds. They usually are way, way north, like Canada, the northern tundras and things. It was so cool. It was so cool, you guys. I'm so happy. So it was a great day, but I'm kind of a mess. We were outside. I had a hat on. It is what it is. All right, y'all have a great one. I will see you all on my next video. Bye, everybody.